My name is Mikko Helin, and I'm Head of Business Development for Insurance and Wealth Management at Tieto. And here we have Samer Date, who runs our insurance R&D. Good to be here. Thanks for having us. All right, let's get started. Typically in this sort of occasion, I should probably list all the trends, innovations, disruptions, regulations, you know it. But I suggest that we skip that part today. You have heard, and I'm sure you are all aware of what is happening in our industry. And we have seen those presentations already today, and we have even seen some customer testimonials. So why don't we just make the conclusion that yes, this industry and the players within the industry, they need to transform, they need to renew, digitalize, and so on. So why don't we focus more on the how part of the problem, how to overcome, how to do that. All right? So let's think of your current insurance business as a box. Yes, as a box. I would claim that the box is a big box, and it's a heavy box. It's big and heavy due to all the complexities built in throughout the years. The amount of products and the versions and the subversions, maybe some overlaps. The amount of business processes documented or maybe not documented. Maybe aging staff, and yes, the legacy technologies. So how to go about it? Now, what if you could run your current businesses with same volumes, same requirements, amount of customers, written premiums, amount of claims, but with the box that was 10 times smaller, 10 times less people, 10 times less cost, 10 times less complexity, no legacy constraints, just go with the latest technologies. Have the focus on fully digitalized operations and user experience. Wouldn't that be beautiful? I guess it would. With that introduction, Samer, will you please show us Insurance-in-a-box?
Yes. Thanks, Mikko. What we will try and demonstrate over here is our white-labeled Insurance-in-a-box. I will try and demonstrate three things. Granular insurance that empowers consumers to build their own product packages or bundles. A peer-to-peer claims management system built on blockchain technology. And thirdly, our ever-expanding ecosystem partnership driven approach, which combines our own IPRs as well as best-in-class solutions from our partners. The reason why this is not the best look and feel, in our opinion, is because it is designed to be a white label solution. I can see some of the policies I already have. I can buy new policies. Let's take a policy. I am going to choose a MacBook with maximum coverage. I will take a, let's see if I can. Let's see if this works. Okay. Hopefully it pre-fills some information from the photograph. Yes. I'm choosing some kind of date, some kind of cover. I live in a flat, approximately 70 square meters, bought in year of construction 2014, zip code, amount of cover needed, and then it will bundle all these things together on the fly. What is interesting to see is that the rule engines allow it to make sure that the pricing can be managed on the fly on multiple levels, and it can be very transparent. It can be on product level, on campaign level, or even on the whole agreement level. I buy. Here is where we go away from the real working demo to an artificial one, where we simulate a payment. and it will populate all my new policies in here. In the second box, I already had 2 applications plugged in from the ecosystem partners, the car application and the health application, and they have some notifications here. The notifications can also be seen under the notifications menu. Messages allow partners who are not directly connected to push in new possibilities of engagement and communication with the end customer. Let's also look at the possibility of, of making a claim now. That is the second part of the demo. And I had a pet which died. I have volunteers in the room who promised that they will let my claim go through if I make one and I start the claim process. This is where the demonstration for the blockchain-based automated claim system comes in play. Gentlemen, please help me make this happen. Okay, somebody was kind enough. Okay, one more. And my claim is approved. The last part of the demo is actually the current partners we have in our ecosystem and how it will keep expanding. Some of them are already there in the booth outside. Some of them are going to be present tomorrow. But please feel free to interact and meet with us all. And I end the demo, and back to you, Mikko.
Thank you, Samir. Just to clarify, what you just saw, it's not a front-end gimmick. It's not a mobile app. What you saw was actually a tip of the iceberg. What we really have here is a pre-configured, pre-packaged, full-blown insurance package with core system, policies and claims built in a core system. We have the middle layer consisting of rule engine and the API capabilities, and obviously the front end that you're seeing here. And this everything is pulled together and made available from Tieto's cloud. What we promise to you is that in case you would like to pursue this track, we will make you operational with your first product in less than 2 months. Let me repeat, less than 2 months. So it doesn't really matter if you're an insurance startup or penetrating a new market, or you're an established incumbent player with long traditions and history. If you would like to take the, let's say, shortcut, the digital leap, leave the legacy be for a while. Go to greenfield, test new products, test new markets, new segments, new pricings, whatever it could be. We can equip you to very fast go and have the trial. If it fails, then retry. If it fails, retry again. Maybe the third or fourth will show you what is your digital future. That said, we are more than eager to meet you at the Tieto booth, at the back of the venue location. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you very much.